how to set up Afterpay on Cash App. So here's how it works. Before, you used to have to create an Afterpay account in order to use Afterpay, but now it's going to be linked to your Cash App account. So all you need to do in order to activate it is going to be to click on the bank icon here at the bottom, and if you scroll down you should see an option for Afterpay, and you can just click on it to enable it. What if you don't see it here? If you don't see it, then you can go back here and click on your profile icon in the top right. Then you need to go into support. Right here we're just gonna go and search for Afterpay. So Afterpay, now there's a new way to pay over time, no separate account needed, like I said. So here, if you have the option of Afterpay, you will get the option to enable it right here from the related links section. And if you don't have the option, then you haven't verified your account, so you will need to verify your Cash App account. And if you click on Afterpay, you can read more information about it and what it is. If again you don't see it, then your last bet is going to be going into chat, and you can go and type, "I don't see Afterpay, can you please enable it for my account?" and they will further assist you. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.